Okay, so today I show you how to create this model. Yes, in the Laravel 5.5. When you go to the laravel.com and you can choose the Laravel 5.5, you can click the eloquent ORM and you can click getting started. Yes, this is the content as a eloquent getting started. Yes, introduction, defining model, retrieving model, retrieving single model, aggregate, insert, update model, delete. Yes, you can see the introduction. Okay, so I don't read, so you can read by yourself. How to define it? Yes, I show you already before, but right now I want to show you again how to clear the create the model. Yes, for example, before I create as a model, yes, model as is stored in the apps directories, and this is the model that I created before. Yes, this is the default model when we install a Laravel. Okay, how to use it? When we use like this, mean that we create the user model without migration. Okay. Yes. So I show you how to compare user subtract double subtract migration user does okay. So I want to show you create one table. Okay, I run command more. Okay, okay, you can use the artisan PHP. When we create the ORM that because model you can use like this, for example, artisan and mesh. Yes, and then you use model. Okay. Yes, when we create the model, you can use the like this. Before I show you how to create a controller, you can use like this controller. Yes, and then part that you want to create. Right now, I want to create the model. Yes, but I want to create the model in the folder model. Yes, because we want to easy to see the next time. Yes. So in the Laravel, there is no degree and the folder is for developer website. So, but you can create the model folder by yourself. Okay. So I want to create the student model. Yes. Okay. For example, there is no the student model, so I create the student model. Yes, you can use like this. Student model. Yes, you can see the student model. This is the namespace the red directory apps, and we use the illuminate database eloquent slash model that we use the first cat, and we extend the class from model. Okay, this is the class name that extend from the model. When we call it like this, mean that you can use insert or update delete as the model student. Yes. For example, I go to the student there. I want to read. Okay. Yeah. For example, if I want to read, yes, you can use it like this. And okay, this is the model. For example, f slash. Okay, you can use like this. So I go to the run again. Class f student does not found. Okay. I go to check model student, not found. Okay, if you use like this, the next time I check for you why I use like this. So error, yes, you can use like this. Okay, this is the student model, you can copy here. So I refresh again. Yes, you can use like this. And one more, you can to see the model again. When I create the student model, but I want to create the student model with the migration. Okay, for example, I go to the database, you can see the student migration. Yes, for example, I copy here. Yes, this is the my test. You don't. For example, I cut here. So I want to delete. Okay, so I delete the student model one more because I want to show you clearly how to create the model with migration. Okay, yes, I did it here. So I use the create model student and then migration. So you can use like this, for example. Okay, you can use migration. Press enter. Yes, model created successfully. So you can go to see the model and you can see the create student model. Yes, when we use the like this mean that create model once and in the migration create is the same in the same one time when we use the code press enter like this. Okay, and one more you can use the like this. Okay, for example, I go to the code again, I delete model, and then I run again. Yes, so I use the like this. Okay, you can see the model created successfully. Okay. This is the same. In the model, you can see the student stand from the model. Okay. Right now, eloquent model convenient. Yes, this is the eloquent news. We look an example of fly model, but I show you the already create student model. Yes, this is the same in the student model. You can see it like this. Yes. Table name. Yeah, this is you must know the table name. Yes, if you don't know if you know clearly about this table name, when we use the model you can see the error over and over again if the developer don't know clearly how to use the model with the table name. Yes, you can see the node Laravel that we apply us to use for our apply model by convention, the snake case. Okay. Plural name of the class will be used as the table name unless another name is explicitly specified. Okay. So in this case, eloquent we assume the fly model store the records in the fly table. You may specify a custom table by defining a table properties on your model. Yes. If you you create the table, for example in the if we use like this. Okay, tbr. Yes, if we use like this, when we run the database, mean that the student The error is when we use the student model like this. Yes. For example, we can use TBR student. Okay. I think you will clearly yes. When we use the table, there is now the keyword in English. Yeah. Because there is now the keyword in English. This is the defined by developer, but the Laravel no table like this. For example, student just this is derived with the program plural name user. Yes, you must import the student with the letter S with the plural name in the database. So you can go to yes, I here. So I open the database. Yeah, you can see the database name Laravel 5.5. Yes, in the database you must the language name. For example, search this is the keyword with the plural name with the programmer in English. Yes, if we use the TBR student, you can see or you can use it like this. Yes, this is the protected the table name is in the database. Okay, but this is there is no problem for you if you use like this. Okay, hello is I saw you too clearly, so I want to create the table one more. For example, yes, I yes I go to the student model. It so I create the one more. For example, row. Yes, addition mesh model row with um, okay. Right now I have the table. For example, oh okay, I did it. Sorry. Okay, one more. Yes. Okay. So I go to the database. I click. Yeah, I don't want to create the migration. So you use TBL row. Okay. ID. Okay, so and then yes, I use the TBL row, but the when we use it like this, the Laravel there is no the row model distant from the model. Yes. If we use the like this, there is no program in English, so you can use the protected, for example, table. Yes, you must the table. Yes, you can use the another word as a different table. Okay. And then we TBL row like this. Okay, so mean that you can use the row is in the controller. There is no the error because protected the table name from the database like this. Yeah, this is the example that I show you clearly. Okay, if you want to use like this, so I did it. Okay, so I go to see more. Yes, primary keys. When we sometimes we use the primary key, the Laravel there is no or there's a no they know the keyword with the ID like this. So if you use the another for example student ID when you use like this, for example there is no in the student model. Yeah, so you can use the delete update and as a use with the model. Okay, so you can see more again and sometime. Yes. Okay, this is the timestamp that we want to insert, update, delete in the model. You pass like this. If you don't create the create th, update th in the table name. There is no the create th, update th in the table. For example, I create a row again. Okay, row name. Yes, I sell. When okay, I to change key. No, I don't. Yes, yes, I use it like this. Yeah, when we use like this, you can insert or update the list and find using the model. For example, I create the row controller PHP artisan artisan. Okay, mesh. Okay, or you use the here. Okay, so I use as raw model. Yes, I show you already the raw model. Okay, we add raw model. Okay, what is happen when I use TBRD raw? So you can protect it like this. Okay, if I use like this, then I insert what's happened. Okay, so you can go to the publish, insert row. Okay, rows, insert. Okay, so what happened when I insert? So I copy here and go to the web browser. Yes, you can use the get method because we don't use with the form insert. Yes. Okay, right now I copy here and press what is happen when I uh, use this URL. Yes, so you can go to see what's yes, there is no that happen. And one more, you can copy here the timestamp. paste, go to the row. When I insert like this, I want to find, okay, I want to find with the ID. For example, you can use publish function slash, okay, can use it. Rows finds. Okay, so right now I use the URL one more as well. Browse get breaks. Okay, so right now I copy here and read browse. Yes. Right now we use the parameter. So I want to read the ID is a number one. Okay. Press. Okay. Sorry, the page you are looking for not be found. Yes. You can use like this. ID. Yes. Press enter. So the column not found unknown column tbl row.id in where. Yes. When we use when we use the row ID, okay, for example I use like I change, okay, I change here. Yes, the model in Laravel there is a they know ID. Yes, for example I go to the page again and refresh, so you can see the result. Yes, if you want to use like this, how to define it. Yes, how to write it. Yeah, I I use like this. Okay, other page. If you want to use like this, you can go to the model. Yes, and then you use the protected. For example, protected rise primary keys. Yeah, you must use the keyword primary key, so you can go to C $where. Yes, yes, you can use the protected key and row slash IDs. Okay, when we use it like this, uh, you can use the model row. Yes, okay, you can use like this, right? Okay, so I refresh page. Yes, so you already to resolve problem that for you how to read the data using the method model from the database. Okay, so you can see more. If you want to format, you can use the that format. Construct, create, add, action. If you need to customize the name of the column, you the store timestamp, you may set. Yes, you may set. Create, add, and update the add construct in your model. Okay. And database connection. Yes, I show you the next time. Right now, how to retrieve a model. Yes, how to retrieve a model. So you can retrieve, you use like this. Okay, so I go to the page, I insert editor. Yes, I run page again. slash oh, yes. So we add one more. CO and press enter. Okay. Right now we have three records. Okay. Right now I go to read using a model. You want to use, for example, I want to read the model all. Yes, you can use like this. Else, browse all. Okay. So I read. Okay, so I to create one more. Publish function read all. Okay. So you can use as okay. So I go to the web route and create a route. Okay, right now I copy here and go to the routes. Yes, you can class apps, controller app row not found. What happened? Yes, when I use like this, what happened for? Yeah, you can see the Laravel the form, and I copy like this. What's happened? Okay, I test more. Yes, we use row. Oh, yes, I don't know what's happened the next time. I will show you why when I use like this error. So you can use like this. Okay, when we use like this, you don't use like this. Okay, you use like this. There is no error. For example, read three records. Okay, and you can read here the same. Okay, okay, read the same. So yes, you can for each fly as fly echo. For example, I copy here and I want to echo. Okay, rows and I go here. Okay, run another copy here. Okay, so name. Arrow name. Okay, so you can refresh page and admin CO. Yes, so you can use dot html text. Okay, yes, admin edit co. So you can to return to the view. For example, I go to the create view row. Yes, row dot let dot php row. Yes, so you can return. I show you already. Rows compass row. Okay, so right now we return the view. US for each. Okay, so right now I run. Yes, you can see like this. So you can go to the, or you can use the fly text. You can use the where order text. For example, I want to use the take one. Yes, I go to use text. We want to take the records. Okay, I refresh. Call to undefined method br. Okay, as you can use get. Yes, when we take mean that we take the one record first. So you can go to C and we want to use the skips. Yes, skip I want to take to the records. For example, you can use the skip once and take one. Yes, and skip the first record and then taste the record. Yes, it did. Yes, I show you only you can use the order by name descending. Yes, collection fly reject function explosion. Okay, you can see by yourself. You can use the chunk. Yes, when we use chunk mean that we want to read the record 200 per time. Yes, if you use the record with the there's a million thousand records, you can use it like this. Okay, using cursor as fly for each fly where for bar cursor. The drawing single model. Yes, I show you already. Or you can use the first. For example, if you use the first, mean that first record. Okay. Yes, row ID and first. Yes, what's happened? I go to the row ID. What's happened when I wear row to first? So you can go to see what's happened when I use the first. Where it is row IDs. first. Oh yes, when we use first, you cannot use the logs. Yes, the log we read all the records. Yes, so I refresh again. Yes, you can see the first record row and admit. Yes, so you can find. Yes, so you can find as with you as check with you can use a checkbox. Yeah. So I just finished the lesson. So the next time I show you how to find with the array from the database when I check. Okay. Right now I to say goodbye to create tutorial as this time. So you don't forget like share and subscribe my video. Yes. Don't forget the next time we use to find array from the database you can use like this when I check the box. For example, if you want to check like this, yes, 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 yo, check box. Yes, when we check box mean that reads. Yes, read is a with I show you with the find array. Okay, right now I finish this time. Yes, say goodbye.